I have a large bin. It's a 30-quart Sterilite latch, and I don't have the lid on it. It's lightweight, it's easy to move around, and it holds, I don't know, about 1,000 pieces of scrapbook paper in here. I took a 12 by 12 scrapbook page protector, and if you'll notice, it's got the 3 rings on the side for putting it in a binder book. But I flipped the orientation. With my Cricut, I made a little label, and this is my divider. But inside the pocket are all of my smaller scraps for all of that color page. So when I want a red piece of scrapbook paper, I can just go to red, and any small pieces I have are organized in this one spot, and then all of my solid reds are right behind it. This way I don't cut into a large sheet without checking my scraps first, but they're all in one place.